Hello, my name is Donald Lyle, and I'm going to talk to you about our new paper on traumatic brain injury, cognitive health and diffusion brain imaging in UK Biobank. I'm going to talk to you about three things: why our study was required, what did we find, and what does it mean. Firstly, we've known for a long time that traumatic brain injury is associated with increased risk of subsequent dementia, but there is a relative sparsity of research into the potential association between injury and aspects of non-demented brain health. There is understanding that the processes which lead to dementia probably start many years before diagnosis, and this may be detectable through things like brain imaging or cognitive testing. We currently have no reliable way to identify people at most risk of post-TBI neurodegenerative disease in whom mitigation strategies could be targeted. Here, we looked at the relatively large UK Biobank imaging subsample, with around 50,000 people, of whom up to approximately 1,100 had some evidence of historic TBI or head injury at some point in the past, but were not currently diagnosed with dementia. We found that people with a history of TBI had widespread differences in measures of brain white matter tract health, which are the connective motorways between different brain structures. We also found evidence that history of TBI was associated with worse cognitive health. These were independent of things like age, sex, deprivation, smoking history and current medications, and was consistent whether we based injury on self-report from participants or on the basis of their anonymised electronic health records. So what does this mean? In this relatively large general population cohort, people with TBI showed, on average, widespread differences in brain white matter tract health on average 9 to 10 years after their injury, compared with people who did not have evidence of historic injury. White matter tract integrity is a well-known underpinning of cognitive health and is known to be disrupted in different types of dementia, such as Alzheimer's disease. Whilst these findings do not necessarily suggest immediate changes to clinical care, they do suggest long-lasting effects of TBI on brain white matter health, which may be an early marker for neurodegenerative disease risk subsequently. Future study will help to determine this, including the role of white matter health on later dementia risk in UK Biobank. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the paper, and please do get in touch if you have any questions.